Significance of Egdon Heath. In Thomas Hardy's The Return of the Native, Egdon Heath, the vast and unforgiving landscape that serves as the backdrop for Thomas Hardy's novel The Return of the Native, plays a pivotal role in shaping the narrative and its characters. The heath is more than just a setting, it is a living, breathing entity that influences the lives of the characters and symbolizes the universal human struggle. Symbolism and imagery. The heath is often described as a character in its own right, with its vast, trackless, and unbroken expanse symbolizing the unknowable and uncontrollable forces of nature. Its somber and dismal atmosphere reflects the melancholy and tragedy that pervades the narrative. Nature's indifference. The heath represents nature's indifference to human aspirations and struggles. Its unyielding and unforgiving environment mirrors the harsh realities of life, emphasizing the fragility of human existence. As Hardy writes, the heath was CLYM's home, and he was hers, highlighting the inescapable bond between the characters and their environment. Influence on characters. The heath shapes the characters' lives, influencing their thoughts, emotions, and actions. Eustatia's desire to escape the heath reflects her longing for transcendence and experience. CLYM's failure to tame the heath symbolizes his inability to control his own destiny. Themes. The heath explores several themes. 1. The human condition. The heath represents the universal human struggle against the forces of nature and fate. 2. Isolation and loneliness. The heath's vastness emphasizes the character's isolation and disconnection. 3. Nature's power. The heath's unforgiving environment highlights nature's dominance over human life. Characterization. The heath is often used to characterize the novel's protagonists. 1. Eustacia. Her association with the heath's wild and untamed aspects reflects her desire for freedom and self-expression. Though CLYM, his failure to tame the heath symbolizes his inability to control his own destiny. 3. Damon Wildev. His connection to the heath's darker aspects reflects his morally ambiguous nature. Conclusion. Egdon Heath plays a vital role in the return of the native, serving as a symbol, character, and thematic device. Its influence on the narrative and characters underscores the universal human struggle against the forces of nature and fate. Hardy's masterful depiction of the heath has cemented its place as one of literature's most iconic landscapes.